I just woke up today thinking, Stella, you need to glow up. Hello, good morning. Today, as I told you guys, we're gonna do a glow up. A glow up at home, a glow up that's very affordable. Yeah, we're gonna start with my nails. So the plan is we're gonna do our hair. I'm gonna dye my hair with a box dye. I mean, it's gonna be so black. And I'm gonna do my nails at home. We're gonna put some makeup on, fix our eyebrows, lighten our teeth, and generally just catfish people.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
And here we go. This turned out so good, you guys. My hands are dying this winter. I don't know what is wrong. I fixed my nails. So now what we got a difference is this. If anybody else can relate to this, but oh my god, it won't even. I wash my hair and then I put it in a messy bun or ponytail, and this is what happens. So before I dye it, I'm gonna brush it thoroughly. Okay, my hair is ready for some black dye. Too much muscle. Okay, we're gonna be doing some box dye, and I need 2 of those because my hair is long. And now I mix. Friendly tip, just put some Vaseline or some oil around your scalp and all your ears before you dye any like dark color. Great. Ow. Okay, I've done all my roots. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of the product and just rub it in. We're gonna go from this to this.
Counting down.
Okay guys, 30 minutes for this to stay on, and take some time and just clean these stains off now. Now I feel like it's a perfect time to drink some coffee. No, exfoliate my face. My nails are intact. Tutorial for this on my channel, right here, my nail channel. I'll be using this wild blueberry. It has actual blueberries in it. It's one of my favorite tools to just exfoliate my face. It's silicone and it's just so good. Yikes. And now we'll do a ruby chocolate mask. And it's burning. Oh my god. So now for the teeth. I used to do the crest whitening strips, but I'm out leaving Greece, so they don't sell them here. Anyway, we're gonna be doing some 3% hydrogen peroxide with some baking soda. Some of my toothpaste here. I'm running the hot water. I'm gonna hop in and rinse my hair, my face, and wash my body. And now I'm gonna use this. This is honestly so good, you guys. And there's a lot of places this feels really good. Exfoliate. Perfect. Now I will dry it, brush it, and we'll go on to makeup. I had to do this while my pores were open from the shower. One more thing. This, my grandma gave it to me as a gift. It's actually like a razor. Next. Alright, darlings. This will go away in time. Okay, so honestly, it's been a while since I did a makeup thingy. So excuse me if I don't remember how to talk to you while I'm doing this. I'll be starting off with some moisturizer. My mom tells me to put the eye cream around my lips too, so I do it. And continue with some face moisturizer. Honestly, the best spatulas are long nails when it comes to small containers. We're keeping it simple. We're gonna go with a Catrice True Skin foundation. I'm gonna blend everything with my fingers because this is how I roll. I've recently realized how useful baby wipes are in makeup. Just take all your foundation off of your eyebrows, your lips, and like right under here. I don't like anything because it creases and it's looking bad. Well, I keep my bottles clean too. Chose the same line for my concealer. This is in shade 010. At this point, you can blend it in with your beauty blender, but I have none of that because I'm not at my own home. Now let's set. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 120. I definitely prefer putting that on with a brush, but as I told you. And I'm gonna set my under eyes, but not right under the eyelash. The eyelash area, you get it. I'll also put some on my T-zone right here and over here. I don't put a lot of powder because it makes me look not great. For contouring, I use NYX's Wonder Stick and the nose. I want it to look like I can't breathe. And as for highlighting, I'm taking the other side of this. Blush, this is my go-to like every time. NYX Sweet Cheeks in Nuditude. And I put this over here, almost connecting. Like, I don't always want a lot of it on my nose, but it always looks good. eyebrows. NYX's Lift and Snatch in color ash brown. I go ahead and draw hairs. I've microbladed my eyebrows, but I also cut off the tails before I microbladed them, so I'm gonna make them like straighter, which, you know, but yeah, it's kind of going away now. So my absolute favorite lip combo of all time. Oh god, I thought I lost it. See, not much difference, but this is the real deal. NYX's Mauve lip pencil. Slightly overlining, or maybe, you know this trick that you go like this and you draw your lips, let's do that. That's good. And inside all this thing that we've built, I am going to put, oh yeah, MAC's Kinda Sexy. Right before we hop into the eyes, we're gonna choose a color for lenses. They look pretty close. I'm gonna go with the green one. More lenses videos here somewhere. And now, my loves, for the eyes, I think I want to keep it pretty basic, like simple, but extravagant at the same time. So we're gonna do a big wing. We're gonna bring it inside. We're gonna put some eyelashes on, but we're not gonna put any color, because why would we put any color? I'm gonna take my favorite eyeliner from NYX. This is Epic Liner. It's just cheap and amazing. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna look straight because I have hooded eyes. I'm gonna look straight and I'm gonna draw a line right here. I'm gonna go inside my inner eye corner. When I'm not wearing false lashes, I'm wearing this combo from NYX. It's called On the Rise, and it's a primer that helps your lashes grow and be strong and all that. But it's not white. It's like in a graphite color, and I just put it on my eyelid. Anyway, so that's good. And now you can totally skip this step from like the actual mascara, but I'll give you a tip. If you're wearing eyelashes, always put some mascara on your normal lashes, and if something happens, you get wet or anything like that, you can just take off your eyelashes, maybe just fill the gap with some eyeliner, and you're good to go. Otherwise, you look Catrice Major Volume Lash Band. Those are on the pretty cheap side. I look down, and I start from somewhere here where my pupil is to the outer side, and I don't keep it like close to my lash line. I keep it more like straight so that it, as we said, it's not you. Wow. So, shall we get an outfit?
Hi. Hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you.
Hey you guys, so we went from this to this in a couple of hours in a day with a very small budget. So single or not, alone like me or not, during Valentine, get your confidence up by giving yourself a makeover, just self-care in general and all that. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.